Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone from sending you mail in Gmail. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Gmail app. Then having opened up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to select a particular mail that you want to block. For instance, I'm going to block this particular mail right here, this person right here. I'm going to block them from sending me future mail. So what we need to do is to click on the mail. Then having opened up the mail, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dots right here. And this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to click on block this particular mail right here. And you can see right here, you block this particular mail. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to block someone from sending you mail in Gmail. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.